Welcome to Hijama Lessons, a unit of Help Ummah. Embark on a journey to revive the ancient art of Hijama Cupping Therapy and embrace holistic healing.
Hijama, also known as wet cupping, has been practiced for centuries across various cultures. This powerful therapy helps in detoxifying the body, improving circulation, reducing inflammation, and boosting overall wellness. At Hijama Lessons, we are on a mission to bring the benefits of this holistic treatment to the world. Our comprehensive courses are designed to teach you everything you need to know about Hijama, whether you are a beginner or an experienced practitioner. Learn from experienced professionals through in-depth tutorials, step-by-step guides, and insightful tips. Stay updated with the latest research and join our supportive community of Hijama enthusiasts.
Thanks to Hijama Lessons, I've gained the confidence and knowledge to practice Hijama and help others.
Join us in our mission to revive this traditional healing art. Together, we can make a difference in promoting holistic health and wellness. Subscribe now to Hijama Lessons by Help Ummah and start your journey towards mastering Hijama Cupping Therapy. Transform your health and the health of those around you with the power of holistic healing.